An artificial moon is a satellite put into a planet's orbit to reflect sunlight back to that planet. By 2022, China plans to have 3 artificial moons in orbit around the Earth. This will shine 8 times brighter than the natural moon. By having this as a light source, China believes it could save over $100 million a year from the cost of electricity used for street lights. There are some concerns about how the absence of a normal day and night cycle will affect the minds and bodies of humans and animals. This can also be used as a weapon to burn cities. Very danger. Let's look into details. Watch the complete video. First, let's see what China briefs on this project. China wants to use a satellite like an artificial moon, reflecting sunlight back to targeted areas of the Earth at night. The reflector would orbit above a city, providing enough illumination to replace lights on the ground with a steady glow and potentially saving on electricity costs. China says it will put this shiny satellite in space about 300 miles above the ground and orienting itself towards city on the ground. One would be enough to light up around 20 square miles, and several working in concert would light up to 4,000 square miles. The first should be ready to launch in 2020 and 3 more in 2022, though the details of the project remain largely unknown. A satellite flying low enough to deliver that much light wouldn't be able to stay in one place. We also launch many satellites like education satellites, spy satellites, network satellites. We put these satellites at lower orbit. These satellites don't stay at one place. Because of that, we can also give these satellites for lease to other countries to fulfill their purpose. For artificial moon, one should launch satellite at fixed place to fulfill its purpose. Satellites that stay over a fixed point on the Earth, what's called a geostationary orbit, sit much further away, about 22,000 miles. At that distance, the reflective surface would need to be massive to deliver enough light for humans to see back to Earth. At a distance of just 300 miles, the moon would wipe around the Earth at thousands of miles per hour, beaming its light on any one place for only a fraction of a second. The International Space Station, for example, orbits at about 250 miles up and must be constantly boosted back to its orbit as it slows down due to drag. Fuel is necessary to counteract this tiny atmospheric drag, present even in low orbits above Earth. The cost of launching and refueling multiple satellites would likely far outpace the savings on electricity, at least for the time being. This attempt by China may not be success due to its limitations. This attempt was already done by Russia. Due to financial crunch, the project was dropped. Valmir, an engineer who worked on the Apollo program, actually tested out the concept of an artificial moon in 1994. Satellite Zhanya was a circle of aluminum coated plastic 65 feet in diameter that was launched from the Mir space station, and it is then unfolded in space like a fan. This first attempt artificial moon worked. Astronauts aboard the station could detect a faint beam of light arcing towards the ground. Though observers on Earth saw only a momentary bright glimmer in the sky. The second attempt was failed due to minor mistakes, and later the project was scrapped. This artificial moon can be used as weapon to destroy cities. Let's focus how. You can start a fire with anything highly reflective, such as a magnifying glass, eyeglasses, camera lens, a mirror, and the back of a CD. Angle the glass or mirror so sunlight reflects onto the tinder bundle. Eventually it will smoke and turn into flame. It has to be sunny for this to work, of course. If the mirror is curved inward, that allows for the light beam to actually be concentrated at a point when it bounces off of it. Whenever it hits, if it hits in the right spot, it can start a fire. For now, China uses a right mirror to fulfill its purpose to deliver enough light for humans to see back to Earth. China tries to prove that they can do miracles in space technology because space is a big market in future. Every satellite has a time period or expiry like 3 months, 6 months or a year. After the time period, satellites will be bring back to Earth. If China replaces a mirror which is curved inward, which allows light beam to actually concentrate at one point, if it hits in the right place, it can start fire. China's attempt to control the world can be a disaster. China can use this as a weapon. This can burn anything. Even a hill mountain can tear into pieces if the concentration of beam is high. If we want to protect our cities from this China's attempt, we have to destroy these satellites. Only 4 nations as of now possess anti-satellite missiles, that is America, Russia and China itself and India. Concept of artificial moon is itself danger for human and animals because the absence of a normal day and night cycle will affect the minds and bodies of humans and animals. There are a lot of concerns that humans' daily activities will affect due to high beam of street lights. If this gets add up, human lives is in danger.